Introducing the Summit Collection from Earthen Company, a brand new Hong Kong-based watchmaker making waves in 2025. Founded by collectors and designers, not traditional watchmakers, Earthen's mission is simple: bring ceramic luxury without the climb. The Summit Collection launches with 3 Alpine-inspired field watches, each with vintage proportions, bold contrast, and versatile styling. At 38 millimeters wide and just 10 millimeters thick, these cases are crafted from high-tech ceramic, a material usually reserved for high-end luxury watches, now offered at an accessible price point. Each watch features an oversized crown for easy grip, even with gloves, and a caseback brushed to resemble mountain peaks from above. Every model also includes 2 interchangeable straps, one sailcloth rubber and one NATO, so you're ready for any adventure. Overcast brings stealth with a full black case and dial. Whiteout contrasts a crisp white case with a black dial. And Bluebird, a full lume white dial in a white case inspired by fresh powder on the slopes. Each dial is clean, legible, and playful. Oversized Arabic numerals, bold hands with lume, and a subtle skier graphic above 6 o'clock add character and charm. Inside, you'll find the reliable Miyota 9039 automatic. With 24 joules, a 42-hour power reserve, and smooth 4 Hz sweep, it keeps things simple and robust with no date to clutter the dial. The Summit Collection launches August 31st, limited to 100 pieces per model at first, but restocks are planned. At just $899, these ceramic field watches deliver style, durability, and adventure-ready versatility. If you love unique, accessible watch design, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and stay tuned for more watch reviews and releases.